What's up, guys? It is so good to be back talking again. If you didn't see my last video, it was kind of like there was no talking, there was just music. You know what? Let me know what you guys think of that video. It's a new concept we did. Either way, that's neither here nor there. Today's video is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be basically, talking about pie, pizza, all that good stuff. I'm actually changing my format again. I'm gonna be baking. We're just gonna be, I'm just kidding. We are not. But in today's video, we're gonna be going over some concept of really how to section using that as a narrative. So if you were into layering hair or wanting your hair layered, that's gonna work with curly hair and or straight hair, wavy hair, whatever it may be, stick around, guys. It's gonna be bad. Beep. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the video. So the first thing that we want to establish when we are gonna layer like this is essentially where you're going to part your hair. Now, I'm gonna be parting it in the middle, but you can part this on the side as well. Like, it really doesn't matter where you do it. You just, again, have to kind of shift where like the main focal point is going to be. So let's go ahead and create a center part. The thing that we wanna think about is that the very top portion of the head. So when I say the top portion of the head, it's where you're gonna take a comb and you're gonna put that right on top of the head, just like that. So at this specific point, you wanna make sure that your head is, completely straight up. You're not looking down like this, but you wanna make sure that the top portion right here, okay? So this is essentially where we're going to start layering, okay? Let's take from right here, and let's go and get a top view here. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this side, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this side right through here. Now, this sectioning, okay? Now you're gonna see here, let me take this section, I'm gonna twist this. You're gonna see how we've got the top of the triangle and then the bottom of the triangle right through here, okay? Now, what we wanna do, guys, is that we're gonna take this up and we're gonna be cutting from really short to really long. And what we wanna do is that we're gonna be cutting on the inside of our finger, not on the outside, just like this. So, okay? And we're just gonna cut all the way up. I'm gonna recomb, I'm gonna reset, just like this. Okay. We're gonna go all the way up into this. You can follow this all the way up, okay? See how that works? It's gonna be awesome. This actually is going to create like this really cool swell. The cool thing about this is that you're going from the highest point on the head, and if you think about it, like this is gonna be almost kind of like a funnel. Now, a funnel that is gonna go all the way around just like this, okay? Now this funnel is gonna help create this amazing amount of volume with a super seamless layer. Now, if that's not cool to you, I don't know what is, because this technique is bad. Let's just put that beep right in there, but it is awesome. So again, now when we're taking these sections, we wanna take and we wanna go triangle, and we're just gonna be working all the way around like, again, a piece of pie or a piece of pizza. I've been off sugar for like 9 weeks now. I mean, I'm a sugar fiend. So let's just not go with the pie route unless it's got monk fruit in it. One of my friends is like, we're not talking about monk fruit, man, real sugar, whatever, okay? I've kind of been off carbs as well. Let's just say this is like a slice of not heaven, right? Because pie and pizza is like heaven. All right, man, I mean, whatever, let's just get into it, okay? So the other thing I want you guys to consider is that And what you really should do is let's take a little piece of this hair. This is gonna be our guide right through here. We're gonna take that hair, and then we're gonna look and see kind of where we are, where our guide is at. Hold that up, and you can see kind of where it starts, right there. Go ahead and reset. And then you follow that all the way up, okay? Now again, you know, we're gonna keep that same triangle going. Let's go ahead and get that top view right up here. See how much wider this is getting over here on this side. I'm gonna tilt this over here. You can see how much wider this is getting over here on this side, because again, you have to pivot around the head, okay? So take and comb this up, just like so. We're gonna take a little bit of our guide from previous. We gotta make sure we're staying consistent. Right here. And then we're gonna slowly just cut all the way up. Go ahead and reset. Go and take another section. So this layering technique, again guys, on the highest point of the head, okay, we pivot everything around that, and it basically funnels all the way around. And so you have this short hair going to long hair. So you have more length around your perimeter, which is gonna be awesome. I did this layering technique on a model. We actually did this haircut. It was a little bit more extreme. Of course, because I carved it out, but I essentially created like this nice kind of like, almost kind of, this nice kind of like volume right through here, but then she had length, guys. It went all the way down to like the bottom of, like the top of her waist, which was awesome. And again, that's on the extreme level. Now, something like this can be, we can cut this length off, you know, this could be done on a bob, this could be done on anything. This is just such a fun layering technique. We're gonna go ahead and dry this, and the thing I really want you guys to notice is kind of how seamless everything is gonna look. Because again, you're cutting at such a steep angle. If you were to cut things a little bit more shallow, you can have a tendency to kind of see where those layers are. But let's go ahead and get this dry. Let's check this out. It's gonna be fabulous. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, you know what? I'm just gonna like call the kettle black right now. I'm gonna get a little polarizing. I am so sick of hairdressers showing, you know, what they'll do is they'll style a look and then they'll curl it, right? Their layers are crap, the color looks like crap, but if they throw a beach wave over the top of it, or they do something where you're like, you can hide a mistake a lot easier by putting a lot more curl in the hair. I didn't want to do that today because I wanted to show you guys we have not refined this at all, but I really want you guys to look and see how kind of like seamless everything looks. Like this looks awesome, right? Now, if somebody was looking to, you know, create some sort of lift and some sort of volume, you know, having like something on fairly long hair, again, like you can look and see how everything just falls super seamless. if I would have put like some beach wave in this, not saying beach waves are bad, but there's way too many hairdressers out there that are crap hairdressers that don't know how to cut, you know, and everything looks super choppy, whatever it may be. Know your technique, guys. And this is probably why, you know, consumers, why they're not going to you, because you don't really know what you're doing. So practice your craft, guys. Like, that's really, at the end of the day, you know, I've spent so many hours perfecting my craft that, you know, I wanted to share with you guys something that really just looks amazing. So again, like, and I told you before, like, super seamless layers. Like, this looks awesome. I hope you guys really kind of dig what is happening through here. But again, where the most important thing is to create volume right in that top area where most people are kind of running into those issues. You know, they don't have enough volume like right through here. I'm gonna get off my soapbox. You know, let's get back to making this more kind of fun. But again, guys, you know, try and just make yourself better, okay? That's basically at the end of the day. So I really hope you guys kind of dig what is happening. And again, this right here, pie sectioning right through the top. We didn't really do anything else to that bottom length right through here. I mean, again, I don't really have to put a lot of stuff in here. I essentially probably could, but I really hope you guys are kind of really digging what is happening. I mean, you know, at the end of the day, I would kind of clean this up right through here. But guys, give me a like, a subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. You know, seriously, at the end of the day, I love what I do, and I love sharing and making you guys so you guys have better hair. You know what? Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.